Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to use colorful icons for your file list. So whenever you have a list of icons for files like this, just add some colorful icons like this instead of the normal black and white icons that we use. This brings it more clarity. You instantly know what type of file it is, and it brings more color to your UI. So instead of having just black and white everywhere, this adds a bit of personality to it, and it's instantly recognizable. So if they want AI file, they know there's a AI file right here. So you can get this icons from SVG logos. That's what I use. They have every possible like SVGs that you might need, or if you don't have anything in Iconify, you can just search for PPT or something, and they will usually have that icon. XLS. So yeah, try it out. Let me know how it goes. In Iconify, you can come over here and use SVG icons from this or other colorful icons, VS Code icons, and things like that. So yeah, try it out and let me know how it goes. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.